Good day everyone, welcome to another learning edition of MathBite and Circuitry. Today we will be discussing how to manage your Google Classroom drives. Google Drive is a cloud file storage and synchronization service of Google. For a personal Google account, your drive storage capacity is up to 15 GB. But for a Google account with Google Suite for Education, your storage capacity is unlimited. In our previous topic, we created classwork using Google Docs. We upload and assign the classwork to our students. And now the question is, where do we find the files you uploaded, or where do you check the files your students submitted? When you create your Google Classroom for the first time, similarly, it will also create a folder named Classroom. To check, we open Google Apps and look for the drive. In here, you will find all the Google Classroom that we created and also the classroom that we put in archive by double-clicking the folder Classroom. During our Google Classroom Part 2, we created an assignment for the Classroom Grade 12 History, Block 2. In here, you have two folders, 4th of July Independence Day and Template Do Not Edit. The 4th of July Independence Day is actually the folder for your students' copy. In here, you will notice it was already assigned to Superfan Guy. Go back to Grade 12 History Block 2 and you will find template that you created for assignment number 1. You may wonder what is happening on our student dashboard once the teacher uploaded the student assignment. To check, let us open Google Apps from student accounts I created as the dummy account. Then select Classroom. When you are already on Student Classroom homepage, select the Google Drive folder for Grade 12 History Block 2. You will be redirected to the Google Drive wherein you can find your assignment number 1. Let us open the file. For the purpose of demonstration, we will encode student name and turn in our assignment back to our teacher. When you select Turn In, a dialog box will appear. Select Turn In to acknowledge your work submission. In the next section, we will check if the assignment was already submitted on our teacher's Google Classroom dashboard. Previously, I showed you how to edit and submit student assignment using Turn-In. Now we like to see if the assignment was already received by our teacher. To check, I switch back to my teacher's Gmail account, then open Google Apps to select Classroom. Once you are redirected to the Google Classroom homepage, select Grade 12 History Block 2. Then go to Classwork menu to select Turn In. In here, you can also find that we already have one student submission, although I already graded my student submission. But let us check the student submissions. Now the teacher have option to mark or grade student submission. Since we already assigned or set the point value to 50, we can now write students' classwork. To demonstrate, I can give 30 points to my student and hit return to show to student their score. Another beautiful feature in Google Apps is we can set our meeting invite using Google Calendar. To demonstrate, I open my Google Calendar and set the time, date, and agenda. Let's say, for example, our meeting will be on July 18, and the title of our meeting will be Student Orientation. The time will be at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then we can also add participants. We hit save to send our invitation. Here we already sent our invitation.